Statistika, bisa minta waktunya sebentar buat wawancara?
Oh, boleh.
Boleh. Sebelum aku wawancara, boleh dong perkenalan dulu?
Oke, namaku Diva dari Statistika 25.
Oke, buat pertanyaan pertama, why did you choose UB?
I choose UB because Brawijaya University has good reputation and a strong academic environment, so I choose UB.
Oke, buat yang kedua, why did you choose the statistic department?
I like analyzing data and problem solving, so Department Statistik has also I choose Department Statistik.
Terus yang ketiga, why did you choose the statistic major?
I choose statistic major because I don't really like programming, like science data, so I lebih ke statistika.
Oke. Buat yang keempat, after 3 months of studying in the statistic department, what made you impressed? It can be the facilities of the teaching environment. Please explain why it make you feel that way.
I'm most impressed by the learning environment and facilities in statistic department. This make me feel motivation and help me understanding in class. So facilities in department is good.
Wow. And the last one, beyond academics, what non-academic activities such as organization, event, or communities within the UB Statistic Department do you feel have most helped build to understanding what you gonna learn or facing in the future?
Okay, student organization and event like seminar and lain-lain itu help me a lot. Example is they let me seniors teaching lebih ke penerapan statistika in real life, so it is help me kayak membayangkan gimana sih statistika di kehidupan sehari-hari gitu.
Wow, oke, segitu aja Kak pertanyaannya. Makasih ya Kak. Halo permisi, apakah bersedia saya wawancara seputar UB dan statistik?
Boleh.
Oke, sebelumnya boleh perkenalan dulu namanya dan prodi apa?
Saya Maulana dari Lalfarul Razi, saya dari prodi S1 Statistika.
Oke, untuk pertanyaan pertama, why did you choose UB?
Because me myself can live from Malang, and in Malang the best state university is University of Brawijaya.
The second question is, why did you choose the statistic department?
Because I like to studying about data, and that's why I choose Department of Statistics.
Next, why did you choose the statistics major?
So actually I want to work in programming, especially in data management. So I think majoring in statistics can help me achieve my dream.
Okay, the next question. After 3 months of studying in the statistics department, what made you impressed? It can be the facilities or technique environment, and please explain why it make you feel that way.
I think the most thing make me most impressed is environment, especially in friendship, because all of my friends or all of people around me were really serious about living their college life.
The last one is beyond academic, what non-academic activities such as organization, event, or communities within the UB Statistic Department
do you feel have most help will to understanding what you're gonna learn or facing in the future?
I think some even like seminars or anything like that can help really helpful because in seminars sometimes I got information that help me reaching my dream, and also even like BTS atau or belajar tentang statistik can help me about studying statistic itself.
Thank you.
Permisi kak, lagi sibuk nggak ya?
Oh ya enggak kak, kenapa ya?
Kakak dari Departemen Statistika?
Iya nih,
Aku boleh interview nggak? Jadi aku nanti nanya beberapa pertanyaan bahasa Inggris, kakaknya bisa aja pakai bahasa Indonesia juga. Aku boleh duduk? Kakaknya namanya siapa?
Nama aku Inka Bunga Sakina Saragi, aku dari Departemen Statistika Angkatan 25.
Oke, jadi aku mau pertanyaannya ya kak.
Oke.
Yang pertama, why did you choose UB?
I choose UB because UB one of part 10 good university in Indonesia.
Okay, the next question is why did you choose the statistics department?
Because there's a lot people talk about statistics is really good and like happening in this
Oh,
year.
okay,
So
okay.
I think that's a good option though.
Okay, the third question is why did you choose the statistics major?
After I researched that because so much people talk about statistics,
Yes.
I got the information that statistics had a wide career planning for the future.
Okay, the fourth question is after 3 months of studying in here, statistics department, what made you feel like impressed? It can be facility or the teaching environment.
I think from the facilities first.
Okay.
I think the classroom is really good, clean. The projector is really good, and for the lecture, they are really humble and easygoing.
Okay, the last question is beyond academics, what non-academic activities such as organization, event or community within the UB Statistics Department do you feel have most help you to understanding what you're gonna do next?
Do you mean it's like organization?
Yes.
I think the organization that I would like to join is like band to improve my soft skill, my social skills, and to make me better persons.
Okay, that's it.
Ya,
Okay, thank you so much for your time ya kak ya.
Iya,
Maaf
Kak.
udah ganggu waktunya.
ya nggak apa-apa. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Very nice.
Introduce myself. My name is Danisha Amara from the Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Science, Department Statistics. Okay, may I know what your name is?
My name is Aulia Putrikaya. I'm also from Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Sciences, and I'm also from the Department of Statistics.
Okay, so let's start the question. The first question is, why did you choose UB?
So I heard that UB is one of the public universities with the most students, so I thought that I will have more opportunities if I choose UB.
So the third question is, why did you choose the statistics major?
Okay, like I said before, I've been interested in math, and I think that statistics has solid job opportunities and can be utilized in many fields.
After 3 months of studying in the statistics department, what made you impressed? It can be like the facilities or the teaching environment. And please explain it why.
For me, it is the way that the teaching method used by the lecturers helps students think more critically.
The last question is, beyond academics, what non-academic activities such as organization, event, or communities do you feel have the most impact to facing your future?
So I'm not currently involved in any non-academic activities since I'm still adjusting with the lifestyle here. However, I think that participating in various non-academic activities early on is a good starting point because this will help open up wider opportunities since you already have the portfolio.
Okay, thank you for answering all my questions and thank you for the time.
Halo kak, lagi sibuk nggak? Enggak kok. Aku boleh ganggu bentar nggak? Aku mau interview. Ada Departemen Statistik bukan? Iya benar. Aku mau interview boleh? Nanti tanya beberapa pertanyaan pakai bahasa Inggris. Kakak bisa jawab pakai bahasa Indonesia juga kalau bisa dengan saya.
because of blessing, and of course it's because Uber is one of the company in Indonesia with a strong academic reputation, so that's why. Department over many other departments. I have always been interested in mathematics and data-related fields. So because statistics department is match my interest, so I choose statistics.
Third question is what do you choose the statistics major?
What I know that statistics open many opportunities in job market, and many companies need people that can work with data. So I choose statistics.
And the fourth question is after the funds of studying here. What makes you feel at home or impressed you in facility or anything else?
I found that facility is much more better, and statistics implies that independent learning.
And the last question is in academics, what academic activities such as decision, even communities within the statistics department do you feel will have most helped you build your personality, skills, and networking?
Many activities like Pramuka, and actually I joined in program Pramuka when I was Semarang, and it just gave me experience and skills.
Sorry, can I have a moment of your time? Is it okay if I continue? My name is Adil Patakanat from Science Data Qualified, and
my name is Melissa Patricia and
why did you choose with today?
the reason why I chose today because it was on the company list of the University of Indonesia and it was located in Malang. It has a nice weather.
And number 3 is why did you choose the statistics department?
This is why I chose statistics because I want to listen
Why did you choose the statistics department?
it is the same reason.
Oh iya, baru tahu.
Ada video ini.
What do you think is can be the facilities or the teaching environment, and what it makes you feel?
Maybe I would say the facilities that facilities in Unit Sriwijaya. It has a
It's like a same time. Okay. And the last question is beyond academics. What non-academic activities such as organization, different communities within the UB Statistics Department do you feel have most helped you to understand what you're going to learn and facing in the future?
I would say this is because it helps my networking, my knowledge about sustainability. I was can I have a moment of your time? Is it okay if I interview you? So first, my name is Rahmani Wafda from the Department of Statistics, Program Study of Science Data. And you? And Yuda Eka Zara from Statistics Department, Program Study Jambi. Why do you choose UB? Can I know why did you choose the Statistics Department? Because study has an important role in various fields. So it has good prospect and did you choose the statistic major? Because I like data analysis and higher prospect. After 3 months of studying in statistics department, what made you decide? It can be the facilities or technique environment. Please explain why it makes you feel that way.
Enggak sih. Kakak di Departemen Statistika? Iya. Aku boleh interview bentar nggak? Jadi aku nanya beberapa pertanyaan bahasa Inggris. Kakak bisa jawab pakai bahasa Indonesia juga kok. Oke, boleh. Oke. Jadi nama kakak siapa? Nama aku Ines. Boleh pertanyaannya? Jadi yang pertama, why did you choose Ube? Why did I choose Ube? Because University of Brawijaya is my dream university, and also my sister is studying here. Okay. The second question is, why did you choose the statistics department? Because my dream major is on Department of Statistics. And third question is, why did you choose statistics major? Because in my high school, statistics is my favorite materials on mathematics. Fourth question is, after 2 months of studying in the statistics department, what should make you feel at home or impressed? And the facility or the environment, and can you explain more? I think it's the teaching environment here, because kalau menurut aku pembelajarannya itu bikin aku tahu lebih banyak lah. Last question is beyond academic, selain akademik. What non-academic activities such as organization, event, or community within the department help you the most to soft skill or networking? I think it's the communities and also the organization, because I am a member of the organization too. So that makes me, that's helped me a lot is the organization and communities. Makasih banyak ya Kak waktunya. Makasih Kak Ines.
Aku berhenti Ketika, besok banyak revisi. Aku dari Statistika kelas B.
Mau minta waktu yang buat berhenti gimana?
Boleh.
Why did you choose Brawijaya?
The reason I chose UB is because UB is one of the top 10 universities in Indonesia, and I think UB has a great learning facility and environment.
Next question is, why did you choose the statistics department?
Because I think in the future data is more used, and it's important to learn statistics to manage the data effectively.
The next question is, why did you choose the statistics major?
Because not like science data major, statistics is more about analysis data to get the conclusion.
After completing statistics department, what made you feel proud or impressed you with the facilities or teaching staff?
I think the teaching staff is good and competent, so I can work with clearly and understand the lesson.
This question is beyond academics. What non-academic activities such as organization, event, or community within the University Statistics Department do you feel have most helped you to improve the soft skills?
So far, I joined PASA 2025, and then I also joined organization organization named Studentristika. Then I also take the dance competition.
Thank you, Vanessa. Makasih, Kak.
Welcome.
Hi. Do you have some free time? I'd like to ask you a few questions from my project.
Yes, I have.
Okay, before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Nadia Amira and I'm from Data Science major. And you?
I'm Amira Kaliola and I'm from Statistics.
Okay, thank you. Okay, the first question is why did you choose UB?
Because UB is my dream university since I was a kid, and UB is one of the top 10 university in Indonesia.
Okay, and why did you choose the statistics department?
Because first I like counting, and I was interest like analyzing data, and the prospek kerjanya statistika itu gede di luar sana.
Oh yeah. And why did you choose the statistics major?
Because yes, I like analyzing data and I'm very like mathematics, yes of course.
Okay, after 3 months of studying in the statistics department, what made you feel at home or impressed you? It's like about the facilities or the center?
Like my friend, yeah.
Oh.
I met many friends, like they are very kind because mereka tuh bisa buat aku nyaman di sini kayak gitu. Dan bisa belajar bareng di sini.
Okay. And beyond academics, what non-academic activities such as organization, event, or communities within the UB Statistics Department do you feel have most built your soft skill and networking?
Sebenarnya I'm so sorry, aku nggak ikut organisasi, but selama di perkuliahan ini itu cukup banget untuk mengasah soft skill aku, gitu. Jadi terutama di bidang akademik kayak gitu.
What kind of soft skill like?
First is berani untuk mencoba hal baru pertama. Terus habis itu aku bisa belajar tentang percaya diri. Misalnya kalau maju ke depan dia udah kayak gitu. Jadi
Okay, thank you so much.